Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. Excuse me. So let's see what's there for Taurians. Let's see what's there for Taurians. So on your side we have the King of Cups. Okay, so you're feeling, you have a lot of emotions for someone, maybe a little control, but yes, a lot of emotions inside, even if you're not showing as much as emotions you have. Let's see what's there on your person's side, Taurians. The Lovers. Okay, beautiful. It is a beautiful connection over here, Taurians. Let's see what's the most likely outcome for this connection. So we have, oh, Nine of Wands, waiting. Excuse me for that. So here we have a beautiful connection with the Lovers, and then the most likely outcome is waiting. Why is this waiting when things are, there is love on both the sides? Let's see what is this King of Cups about. What's behind the scenes for the King of Cups? So for the King of Cups we have the Ten of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, again the King of Cups, okay, the Four of Cups, and the High Priestess, the Two of Pentacles. So let's see what's there behind the scenes for these Lovers. What is this Lovers here for? What's behind the scenes for the Lovers? So for the Lovers we have the Justice, okay, the Nine of Swords, the Emperor, the Seven of Cups, Eight of Cups, Eight of Wands, okay, let us see why is this, what is this waiting about for the Nine of Wands? Why is this Nine of Wands here? So for the Nine of Wands we have the Four of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, the Hermit, the Page of Swords, and the Magician. One more, Temperance. So for the King of Cups we have the Ten of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, King of Cups once again, the Four of Cups, High Priestess, and the Two of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that definitely this person does have commitment on the cards, okay. So at least they view you as a life partner or a person with whom they can have a stable relationship with, okay. They are spending times with you, they are spending a happy time with you. What I feel is the vibe is entirely happy. You people are as such happy together. This person, or maybe this person is spending happy times with their family and friends, okay, or maybe trying to take a discussing something, can be trying to take their point of view or their opinion, can be that also. But what I feel here is we have the King of Cups, the Four of Cups, High Priestess, and the Two of Pentacles. So this person is not able to make up their mind for something, though they view you as a person they can have a long-term relationship with, but perhaps they need to make up their mind still And with the Four of Cups, they are focused on something else which may be related to their past. Okay, and because of that, or maybe that their mind is just diverted to something, but they are unhappy over something. There's something which holds them back to some extent, and that is the cause of the indecision. With the Two of Pentacles, they are not making a decision. Okay, and with the High Priestess, what I feel is, though they are trying hard to listen to their intuition as to what do they want, so it is not that they are not trying to make up their mind. They are trying to make up their mind. With the High Priestess, they are using their intuition, but what I feel here is that action is not being taken in this connection. Okay, decision is not being taken. They are too focused on something else, or maybe something related to their past. They have a lot of emotions. They are spending time with family and friends, or maybe they are too much into their family and friends, and that is the reason of not taking a decision, or maybe whatever. But what I feel here is, with the High Priestess being there, even if they view you as a person they can commit to, but the thing is, they are not able to make up the mind with the Two of Pentacles. But yes, they are perhaps trying to do that with the High Priestess, listening to the intuition. But yes, action is not there in this relationship. Forward movement, or as you should say, nothing much is happening in the progress of this relationship forward. Okay, and for a person, we have the Lover. So definitely a beautiful soulmate connection. That is how this person is viewing you. They really love you. It is a beautiful connection. And here with the Justice, definitely some decisions are being taken. Okay, and we have the Nine of Swords, the Emperor, the Seven of Cups, the Eight of Cups, and the Eight of Wands. So what I feel here is that this person is really having a lot of anxiety, and there is a lot of confusion on this person's side for something, for some reason. Okay, and maybe this confusion can be because no decision is being taken on your side. So somebody here is not taking a decision, and here somebody wants a decision. That's what I feel with the Justice card being there. The waiting thing which is going on, that decision is not being made, that is causing a lot of anxiety and confusion to this person. On this side, they really don't know. Perhaps they should stay or walk away. It can be one. This can be one of the reasons. Okay, one thing that, okay, they really don't know, they should stay or they should walk away, since you are not taking a decision, can be that also. But with the Emperor being there, what I feel is, and we have the Eight of Wands here. So definitely I think with the Eight of Cups, somebody is going to move away from this confusion and communicate. So this person, whosoever this person is, with the Emperor energy being there, so even if they have a lot of anxiety and there is a lot of confusion also, but what I feel is that decision will be made, and that is what you want. You want a decision from this person. You're walking away from the confusion. Maybe with the Eight of Wands, you want to talk to this person. Okay, what the hell do you want? Give me a decision. It can be as simple as that also. But definitely with the Eight of Cups, you are relieving something where, or maybe that is what you want to communicate to this person, that okay, either you give me a decision, you make up your mind, or I walk away. Because with the Justice here, either the decision is coming in, or that is what you're looking for, because that is the source of your anxiety. Okay, you are just leaving this situation with this, you're leaving the confusion behind. You want to leave this, you don't want to stay in this confused energy. Okay, you really don't want that anxiety, and that is what with the Eight of Wands, you're communicating to that person. That's what I feel. Okay, that yes, I want a decision, give me a decision, what do you want? Okay, otherwise I will leave. It's something like that. And because the most likely outcome was the Nine of Wands, so definitely it's talking about waiting since a long time. It's not that this person is juggling you from a short time. It's been quite some time that this situation is pending or lingering. No decision is being made in this situation. And for the Nine of Wands, we have the Four of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, the Hermit. Here we have the High Priestess, here we have the Hermit. So definitely a lot of intuitive energy is being used to make a decision. And then we have the Page of Swords, the Magician, and the Temperance. Yes, the wait will be over. Okay, the wait will be over, because with the Four of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles, things are now in control. Things are, with the Four of Wands, a commitment, a relationship commitment, or even actually staying together, something of that sort. Happiness, celebrations is coming in. Queen of Pentacles, you're healing. Somebody here is back in control, feeling good about yourself. With the Hermit and Magician and the Temperance, definitely a new beginning, a decision being taken. Whatever the confusion was here with the Two of Pentacles, that confusion is getting down. This person is able to make up their mind using this High Hermit energy and the High Priestess, which talks about listening to their own inner voice. And with the Magician being there, it is ready for a new beginning. And here in between we have the Page of Swords. So I think the person who was not able to decide, for them this decision was a very huge decision. It wasn't easy for them to decide for some reason, because here we do have the Four of Cups, which talks about being too focused on the past. So obviously they do have something which upsets them, and maybe whatever that history is, it causes them being this causes this indecisiveness, or they're not able to make up their mind. So but with the Page of Swords, they do have the clarity, and it is really a tough decision for them to make. Okay, that's what I'm saying. It's not that easy for them. It's really tough for them to walk this path and commit to you. Okay, it's not easy for them to do that. Okay, but yes, they are doing it. And with the Magician and the Temperance, new beginnings are definitely coming in, Taurians. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. New love. Embrace an opportunity for love in your work, prospects, or for spiritual growth. Number 26 may be of some significance for you. So definitely a new love is coming in, Taurians. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.